Assalamu alaikum, dear learners, viewers and subscribers. Hope that you all are well by the Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today I read out another new completing story. I hope that you enjoy it very much. Dear learners, it is an important story in our life. We are students, we are human beings, we are the global citizens, we are good citizens, we are good citizens in the world, so that I can say you listen this story very carefully and note down for future. Before going to complete this story, I read out the questions. The questions is that read the beginning of the following story and complete it in your own way. Give a suitable title to it. In his boyhood, Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani was going to Baghdad for education. During the time of departing home, his mother said to him, "My son, never tell a lie and don't get frightened in danger." Baghdad was very far away from beginning lines of this story. You must complete this story with a suitable title and moral lesson. Okay? Let's start. We given a title here, Truthfulness of Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani. Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilaniর সততার গল্প আজকে আমি শুনব। In his boyhood, Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani was going to Baghdad for education. During the time of departing home, his mother said to him, "My son, never tell a lie and don't get frightened in danger." Baghdad was far away from his home. Baghdad শহর ছিল তার বাড়ি থেকে অনেক দূরে। He began his journey with a group of merchants. You know that what is the meaning of merchants? Merchants means the persons who travels one place to another place for business. They buy things and sell. মার্চেন্ট বলতে বণিককে আমরা বুঝি, যারা হচ্ছে যে এক দেশ থেকে অন্য দেশে ভ্রমণ করেন এবং ব্যবসা বাণিজ্য করেন। The way was not safe for the travelers because the robbers often snatched all the belongings of the travelers. After elapsing 5 days on the way, 5 দিন অতিবাহিত হওয়ার পরে, elapsing হচ্ছে অতিবাহিত হওয়ার পরে, the robbers fell upon him and his companions. ডাকাত দল, robbers হচ্ছে ডাকাত দল, তাদের উপরে আক্রমণ করে। One of the robbers caught the boy searching his top to toe. Dear learners, here top to toe is a phrase. আমরা বলে থাকি top to bottom. আমরা বলে থাকি top to bottom, অর্থাৎ উপর থেকে নিচ পর্যন্ত তার সমস্ত শরীর সার্চ করা হয়। He took away everything what he, তার কাছে যা পাওয়া গেল সবকিছু নিয়ে। ঘটনাটি অত্যন্ত মজার। Then he asked, "Do you have anything else with you?" তোমার কাছে কি আর কিছু আছে? The boy replied, "Yes, I have 40 dirhams inside my robe which my mother sewed here." আমার কাপড়ের সঙ্গে আমার মা 40টি দিরহাম সেলাই করে দিয়েছে, সেলাই করে দিয়েছে। Hearing the words of the boy, the robbers astonished such and asked him, "Why you disclose the word of hidden 40 dirham. Disclose করলো, why? ওপেন করে দিলে কেন? তুমি তো নাও বলতে পারছো। The boy replied, my mother told me never tell a lie even in danger. Then how can I tell lies? And then the robber, along with the boy, met with the leader of the robbers and told everything about him. The leaders also astonished and had been brought a great sense in the life of the leaders as well as his. From that day, they stopped doing that. You understand the story or the lesson? What's happened here? What's the morality of the lesson? What's the morality of the story? The moral lesson of the story is that a truthful person cannot only change his or her life but also change other person's life. Be careful. এখানে আমরা বলেছি একজন সত্যবাদী ব্যক্তি শুধুমাত্র তার নিজের সে অন্যদেরও জীবন ধারাকে পরিবর্তন করে দিতে পারে। কারণ হচ্ছে সত্যবাদী লোক সবসময় সত্যের পথে যারা থাকে তারা কখনোই পরাজিত হয় না। কিছু সময়ের জন্য পরাজিত হলেও সত্য অবশ্যই প্রকাশিত হবে। তো dear learners, if you enjoy a little from this story, please subscribe my channel and press the notification button. Like, comment and share this video with your friends.